Alright guys, so for this last part, what I did was so that part is, this is the A major chord first inversion, and that is C sharp, E, and A. And this is the 2 chord, and this is F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. On my right hand I'm playing A, C sharp, E, and G sharp there. Yeah. Sorry about that. Then my left hand remains the same while I switch my right hand here to the A sus2 chord. Okay, and that is A, B, and E. So just to match the voicing actually, or the melody rather. So to match the melody. So this is the next chord, and this is on the 5. So what I'm playing on my left hand is the B and F sharp, and on my right hand I'm playing A diminished 7th chord, and that is A, C, D sharp, and F sharp. One more time.